Okay, here it is, the US 1 catamaran brushless racing boat. Supposed to go 60K. Nice hull. I love the color and the graphic scheme on it there. Nice high visibility yellow and black. A couple of my favorite colors. So let's get into it there. It's a 28 15 kV motor, 37 gram waterproof servo, 60 amp water cooled electronic speed control. This is how it came. So you need to put the prop on and the rudder. There is the prop. It's a nice chrome plated metal 3-blade rudder. It's a CNC aluminum rudder. That's the water pickup there. So this little tube, when the rudder is mounted over there, is going to go on that water pickup. It pulls water in through the speed control to cool it, then up through the motor heat sink here to cool that. Got a nice chrome plated heat sink there to it, right? And you see those battery trays are quite long and deep. It takes 2 batteries. I've put my plugs on there, but it came with Dean's connectors, which are here. Dean's connectors are very popular, RC Pro grade connectors. Nothing wrong with them, but I use Traxxas on all my stuff there. So, oh, price. You probably want to know how much it was, right? This guy, I can't believe it. It was like $224 or $28. I can't remember. But less than $230. Now, if you were just to go buy these 3 components, they would easily add up to that, right? Minus the hull, minus it all put together, right? Oh, the radio. It's got a really nice pistol grip radio. I just love this thing. Like, for a cheap radio, it just feels like great. I swear to God, I've got like 25 or 30 of these radios for all kinds of different vehicles, right? And this one's really nice. It takes 4 AA's that go in the bottom. What else before we hit the water, right? Really nice top on the hull there and stuff, foam plated. It's nice contoured there and stuff. We're going to kind of grease that up a little bit. It's more than big enough to be able to handle the weight of my new little action cam that's going to go on there. This is out of the waterproof case. It's sitting on a tripod now, but I think I'm going to mount this up on the front of there, or possibly on the hood of here. I'm going to find where it's going to be balanced when I have the batteries in it, right? Scale wise, this thing would be going about, 400 miles an hour, right? So it says it can do 60K, and I don't just believe that. I've seen a bunch of videos of it. Yeah, when you scale that up there, that's pretty darn fast, right? So yeah, there's the box that it came in. There is a V1 and 2 version of this boat. Now, there's no name on this box, right? But it's oh yes, there is. It's Joysway. Sorry, it's over there in the corner, right? So Joysway. But I've seen this thing kind of called a couple of different names and that, right? Not necessarily Joysway. I think maybe even the Will Toys has these 2 or something there, right? So, but that's one name that you can find this under. So let's get her out on the water, right? And see how she goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Stick around. Okay, so welcome back, folks. We're going to get this baby in the water in just a second. I thought I'd bring out the Feilun FT012 again, just to show you a kind of scale comparison size-wise. It's about twice as big, this boat. It's definitely probably twice as heavy. I want to be able to mount my GoPro on this guy and get some cool footage out in the water there and stuff. So let's get this baby rolling. Just before we hit the water, we've got camera 2 set up over there. So this is the iPhone that you're seeing right now, and I'm going to start that camera rolling, and hopefully we can blend the 2 footages together and get something great. So this is the first run, so we're going to kind of take it easy a little bit. Never driven this boat before. And we got our first flip. Nice. Okay, we're back for round 2. I adjusted the prop down. This was sitting up higher, and I moved it down. Wow, is that thing fast? Wow. Kind of speechless, folks. Nice. Turn sharp. Nice thing about the lake, it just floats back. Maybe.